to a tragic turn on the oncoming feud between pop star Katy Perry and a group of nuns trying to stop the singer from moving into their former convent.
One of the sisters suddenly collapsed and died during a court hearing today. KCAL 9's Tom Wade is live at the convent in Los Feliz with the latest. Tom.
And Elsa, I can tell you this has been a very ugly battle for the ownership of this convent. It's been Katy Perry aligned with the archdiocese versus these nuns. One of them died in court today.
Katy Perry said she was going to close it. It was going to be her home.
That's Sister Catherine Rose explaining why she wanted to block the sale of her former convent to pop star Katy Perry. Rose collapsed and died in court today during a hearing involving the ongoing battle to prevent Perry from taking over the property. Late this evening, Archbishop Jose Gomez released a statement that reads in part, Sister Catherine Rose Holtzman, IHM, Immaculate Heart of Mary, passed away suddenly at the age of 89. Sister Catherine Rose served the church with dedication and love for many years, and today we remember her life with gratitude. Sister Rose and her fellow nuns who bought the property back in the 1970s from philanthropist Daniel Donahue wanted to sell the sprawling compound to restaurateur Dana Hollister, but a judge ruled against the sisters, siding with the archdiocese, who agreed to sell the property to Perry.
Dana was going to keep it open to the public, which Donahue wanted, and she would make a hotel.
Not only did Dana Hollister lose her bid for the property, a judge slapped her with millions of dollars in punitive damages for interfering with the sale.
Yeah, I mean, I released a gospel record when I was 15 because I grew up in, a household where all I ever did was listen to gospel music, and my parents are both traveling ministers, and so I kind of sang about, what was going on in my life at 15, and that's how I got introduced to the music industry. I swear I wanted to be like the Amy Grant of music, yeah. But it didn't work out, and so I sold my soul to the devil.
Sisters Catherine Rose Holtzman and Rita Callanan of the Immaculate Heart of Mary. Sisters, great to have you on the show this morning. Sister Rita, I have to ask you, why are you not planning to sell it to Katy Perry? Why insisting on your own buyer? Take me into this.
The reason being is that it is our property, which we bought in 1970 with our own money. It is our property, and we feel that we should have the right to sell it so that we can control where the money goes. If it goes to Katy Perry, the archdiocese gets the money, they keep it, and yes, they say they will take care of us. We don't want that.
Sister Catherine Rose, now the Vatican's getting involved in this. Seems like it's complicating matters further. Is it going to make it more difficult for you to be able to sell it on your own now that the Vatican is involved?
Well, we are the Sisters of the Immaculate Heart of Mary, a pontifical order of sisters. We answer directly to the Pope, not to the Archbishop or Bishop. And we've never asked the Archbishop for any help, but we've been able to maintain it on our own with our income, our work, our service to the people, and all of that has been taken from us.
And maybe I should add, we're the ones, Clayton, that initiated the contact with Rome. Back in June, we sent what we call a libellus to Rome, and we have an attorney in Rome who has our cause, and so for us, we're happy that the Vatican's involved, because this is going to hopefully stop this archdiocese from just taking our property, hopefully.
Do you have a problem with Katy Perry herself buying the property?
Truthfully, the issue of Katy Perry, it's not Katy Perry or Dana Hollister. It's the fact that we, as Roman Catholic sisters, own that property, bought it, and now it's being taken away. And that's the big issue.
Sisters, it was great to see you this morning, and please update us on your fight. We want to thank Sisters Catherine Rose and Rita, and we continue to reach out to reps for Katy Perry, but we have yet to hear back.